Good morning, everybody. It's September 15th, 2021. And just got the truck cleaned up, and I'm headed by my shop here to drop off some materials and tools that I don't need for the rest of the week. Just to get a little bit more space in the back here. And today we're going to look at an emergency call that just came in. Jen said that the lady on the phone was pretty, what's the right word? She was very nervous about what the job was going to cost, how soon could you get there. Jen told her we could get there between 9 and 11 this morning. And she said, "Oh, I guess that'll have to do." How fast do you think we can get somebody out there? It isn't 911. 911 even takes 20 minutes to get there. So you want somebody to get to your house quickly, which I understand. You don't want to have your house destroyed, but it's going to take a little while to get there. But once I get over there, we'll see if we can get some shots of what's going on. All right, so what we got is we got a 1/2-inch water line that had a pinhole leak, and the lady said that it sounds like they're doing some flushing of water lines, and that may have caused the leak, but the main valve to the house doesn't cut off, so I'm going to cut it off here in the street real quick so we can stop that. She's just got a big trash can catching all the water. All right, so I took a couple photos of the inside here, and actually this didn't end up being the meter. Meter is way over there in the woods. And gave the customer some options. Always give the customer 3 options to choose from: repair, replacement, and an upgrade. And so in this case, the repair was just simply fixing the pipe. The replacement was the main shutoff valve was broken, so gave her an option for that. And then I gave her an option to install a pressure regulator valve. We don't know what the pressure is because we just had to shut it down. But she's going with the middle option there with a new shutoff valve, and we're going to get this pipe fixed up as well. And we'll get some shots of the new stuff here as we go. Mark our pipe and front. Up there, and it's all the way open. We're going to cut that down there, because that is boogered up pretty bad. A little bit of water there, not too bad. I'll put a towel down there to catch that. Perfect. Now, the strap, then the pipe. Get that closed. Six and a half. So we got that. Alright. These 90s marked. And this one had a shark bite on it. So we'll go ahead and clean that up. This is the hair room. Alright, so we got that one finished up. We ended up doing a main shutoff valve and fixing that leak there in the laundry room. Everything went real well. We did talk about the water heater, which is 15 years old. It has no safety pan, no floor drain. So either the heater should go on a stand, and we'll pipe it into the drain line for the washer, or put a flood stop on it, and that'll at least give them some kind of water protection from a heater failing. but we talked about a few options with that. We did check the water pressure. We're at 65 pounds, so you don't have to have a regulator right now, but it's just something I advise her. You should have the plumber check that each time you come out. And they were very nice people. Showed them where the water meter was in case they ever need to find it again. And this one's in the books, and we're headed to the next one.